SAT test in October is on 5th of October, which means you have only 1 month to prepare for the test. Now, what are the conditions and what are the things which you have to keep in mind if you are preparing for the SAT in the next 1 month? So here are some tips. First, you should take at least 6 full-length mock tests so that you can assess yourself for the overall performance. Now, once you are taking the test, spend at least 1 hour analyzing your test. What is the meaning of analysis of the test? First, what are the kind of questions you are getting correct or incorrect? And what are the kind of questions on which you are spending more time while solving it? Remember, you should not spend more than a minute on solving any question in the SAT. Next, focus more on the algebra and geometry. As you know, algebra and geometry consist almost around 75 to 80% of the whole syllabus. So focus more on that. Then you have a Desmos calculator on which you can practice. As you know, there is an inbuilt graphing calculator in the SAT that you can use in the math section. Now the last one, revise all the important topics before any of the mock test. So if you are going for the mock test, please make sure you revise the important formulae and the topics. Thank you.